If you've been making bacon on the stove and have bacon grease splattering everywhere, you've been making bacon the wrong way. Hey guys, I'm Kristen from A Mindful Mom, where I get into the kitchen and share with you easy, family-friendly recipes that will save you both time and money so you can spend those precious commodities making lasting memories with your family. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make oven-baked bacon. That's right, we're going to bake our bacon in the oven, eliminating that grease mess that we all despise to clean up. Plus, our bacon is going to get super crispy and cook to perfection. This bacon is perfect for BLTs, to serve with scrambled eggs, or to crumble over salad. To get started, all you need is a baking sheet, a rimmed baking sheet with a cooking rack fitted on top. And of course, bacon. I'm using nitrate-free pork bacon. You can use turkey bacon. You can use any type of bacon that you like. And the next thing you want to do is line your sheet pan with aluminum foil. That's going to help cleanup be so much easier. And then you want to place the bacon strips out on the cooling rack, leaving space between each slice. This allows the bacon to cook evenly so that all of the bacon will get nice and crispy. And then you want to pop it into an oven that's been heated to 400 degrees and roast for 15 to 20 minutes. Because our bacon is on a baking rack, the air will circulate evenly around the bacon, meaning you don't even have to flip it. How great is that? Now, if your oven does not bake at an even temperature, you may want to twist your pan halfway through cooking. And if you like your bacon super crispy, you may need an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Once your bacon has cooked, remove from the oven and let cool slightly. You can remove your bacon and put on a paper towel lined pan or plate just to absorb any excess grease. Once you've removed your bacon from your baking sheet, you want to let your bacon grease cool slightly before discarding. Now, a huge tip to remember, do not throw your bacon grease down your kitchen drain, or you may have to call a plumber. Instead, once your bacon grease has cooled slightly, pour it into a glass jar or an aluminum can like an old coffee canister, and then let it harden where you can easily discard it. You can also place your bacon grease in the fridge and use for fried potatoes or a bacon spinach salad. If you happen to have leftover raw bacon, let me show you a really quick tip on how to freeze that bacon so that you don't let any bacon go to waste. Spread your bacon out onto wax paper or parchment paper. Fold the wax paper or parchment paper over each slice of bacon and then place into a freezer-safe bag. When you need to use, you can just remove the parchment paper or the wax paper from the freezer bag and remove 1 slice, 2 slices, or 8 slices, however many slices of bacon you need. They won't stick together using that trick, which is a great hack for saving money. If you find bacon on sale, you can freeze it and use 1 to 2 slices at a time. If you happen to have leftover cooked bacon, which would be a rare occasion at my house, you can also wrap the bacon in paper towels and place into a Ziploc bag in your fridge for 3 to 4 days. When you want a piece of bacon for, let's say, a BLT or some scrambled eggs, you can remove your bacon from the fridge and using the same paper towel that you used to wrap your bacon in, you can line a plate with and microwave your bacon for 30 seconds to 1 minute to get warm and crispy. There you have it, I promise you that baking bacon in the oven could not be easier. It's the only way to make bacon. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe so that you can get more tips, tricks, and recipes that will save you time and money in the kitchen and deliver your family delicious meals so that you guys can enjoy more quality time together.